in honor of 21 children who passed on in a tragic fire in Kano, in the Gachagua ward, and in Russia, by Uingereza kungojea the process of DNA and other procedures to take place before we can let's observe a minute silence in our room. Thank you very much. Please be seated. On behalf of His Excellency President William Ruto, Patron of the Agricultural Society of Kenya, it is with profound pleasure that I join you on this important occasion of the Central Kenya ASK National Show hosted by DP. We gather here because of the farmer, who is the foundation and the pillar of our nation. Out of the sheer hard work of the farmer, Kenyans have food on the table daily. Out of the sweat of our farmer, the agricultural sector injects 22% directly and 27% through linkages to the GDP. Out of the resolute and absolute dedication of the farmer, we are on the world map as one of the largest exporters of quality and most sought after tea, coffee, avocado, macadamia, mangoes, green beans, among others. This is raking in millions of dollars in foreign exchange annually. That is why our administration is paying close attention to the farmer, who is at the base of the production chain, in our focus of promoting resilience and sustainability of our economy, which is mainly built on a vibrant agricultural sector. Ladies and gentlemen, and our exhibitors, one of the biggest threats to a thriving small-scale farmer is climate change. I wish to thank the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development and the Agricultural Society of Kenya for the spot-on theme of this year, that is promoting climate-smart agriculture and trade initiatives for sustainable economic growth. During my visit to various states here this morning, farmers are using top-notch innovations aligned to promotion of climate-smart agriculture. The government annually facilitates shows to, among other issues, build the capacity of farmers and raise awareness on new technologies for integration for higher yields. It is fulfillment of the Kenya Kwanza plan of transforming our country into a net exporter of finished products under the manufacturing strand, founded on a solid and vibrant agricultural sector. Processing will save us more than 500 billion Kenyan shillings in annual importation of foods and raise our foreign exchange profile for a stronger and better economy with more money in the pocket of the farmer. Indeed, there is more in value addition. In collaboration with counties, we are also constructing common user facilities at the county aggregation industrial parks. It is for this and other reasons that I call on our small-scale farmer to progressively integrate climate-smart farming technology. It is exciting that the Juakali artisans and other innovators are driving transformative and affordable solutions to the small-scale farmer. With the Juakali sector employing over 16 million people, we must harness their skills and expertise to spur sustainable production, more so at the bottom of the socio-economic pyramid, where most of our small-scale farmers are. To encourage the artisans to do more, we launched the recognition of prior learning policy in March 2023 to validate their skills, knowledge, and expertise through TVETs. My office, in collaboration with line ministries, has created a framework of linking artisans to job and business funding opportunities, including agribusiness and agri-tech. The innovations of this show are possible candidates for industrial application, starting with the cottage subsector to catalyze local manufacturing in the agricultural value chains. On this note, I throw a challenge to learning institutions to also focus on affordable solution-based innovations of beating climate change as envisioned under the National Value Chain Development Project on resilience. Distinguished farmers, exhibitors, ladies and gentlemen, at the same time, we are working to spur the agricultural sector through radical reforms in the various value chains, including coffee, tea, dairy, avocado, macadamia, among others. The government is aware of the challenges in the macadamia subsector. As we plan for full-scale lasting reforms, informed by robust farmer engagements, we are ready to discuss with processors and exporters on minimum returns equivalent to the farmer's sweat. In the avocado subsector, we have implemented crucial interventions which have removed red tapes and streamlined processing and inspection for export. This has eliminated undue delays and ensured quality produce for export. Exhibitors and farmers, ladies and gentlemen, we are also organizing avocado farmers into cooperatives for better economies of scale as we expand our market into the United States of America, Japan, India, Malaysia, among others. Distinguished farmers and exhibitors in the tea subsector, we have also made progress with reforms since the Kericho Tea Conference last year. Last week in Mombasa, I engaged the new KTDA directors and we agreed that the tea farmer is a priority. As such, cutting down on production and operational costs, eliminating loss-making subsidiaries, and strengthening value addition for more money to trickle down to the farmer must be done. I also visited warehouses in Changamwe and Jomvu for a clear understanding of the required interventions to unlock sale of the remaining tea from the last financial year. We look forward to better returns per kilo in the monthly and bonus payments. We are also reforming the dairy subsector as we move to implement the minimum pay per litre at 50 Kenya shillings alongside prompt payment. My office is organizing an engagement forum which will help deliver farmer-focused reforms. Distinguished farmers and exhibitors, I take this moment to inform our coffee farmers that we have mobilized resources to ensure compliance with the European Union deforestation regulations before December 30th, 2024 deadline. This will enable us to retain the profitable European Union market, which accounts for over 55% of our coffee exports. In supporting our small-scale farmer, we have also availed money for the Coffee Cherry Reforming Fund and money for the coffee debt waiver. It is, however, unacceptable that despite the rigorous reforms of transforming the coffee value chain, governance of cooperative remains the weakest link in freeing and empowering our farmers. In this regard, I have asked the Ministry of Cooperatives and Ministry of Agriculture to fast-track the administrative and legal actions to enhance corporate governance, transparency, and accountability in cooperative societies. This includes direct payment to coffee farmers from the Direct Settlement System, DSS. For full disclosure, cooperative society must publish and make known their cost and deduction to their members. Distinguished farmers and exhibitors, it is now my pleasure to declare the 2024 ASK Central Kenya National Show officially open. Asanteni sana. Labda niwajulishe wale viongozi wameweza kufika hapa kutoka national government. Tuko na the regional commissioner and the team yake, wapigieni makofi. Tuko na senator wa Nyeri County Wahome wa Matinga, pigieni makofi. Tuko na senator wa Nyandarua, Senator John Medho, pigieni makofi. Tuko na bunge wa Embakasi North, Mheshimiwa James Gakuya, pigieni makofi. Tuko na mheshimiwa wa Embakasi Central, Mheshimiwa Meja Dong, pigieni makofi. Tuko na mheshimiwa wa Kegumo katika kaunti ya Murang'a, Mheshimiwa Kamau Munyoro, pigieni makofi. Tuko na mheshimiwa George Koiburi wa Junja, Pigieni makofi. Bahari wanasumbuliwa na fisi. Tutapambana na hao fisi. Tupambane na hawa. Wawache kusumbua wananchi huko Juja. Tuko na mheshimiwa wa kuteuliwa kutoka Kiambu, Mheshimiwa Triza Wanjiru, pigieni makofi. Tuko na aliyekuwa mjumbe wa akina mama wa Laikipia County, Mheshimiwa wetu Kate Waruguru. Tuko na aliyekuwa mheshimiwa wa Mukurweini, Mheshimiwa Anthony Kiai. Tuko na mheshimiwa wa pale Kirinyaga wa zamani na ndio chairperson wetu wa Kenya Seed, Mheshimiwa Wangui wa Ngirichi. Hao ndio viongozi wameweza kufika. Yangu tu ni kusema asante sana kwa wale wote waliweza kufika. Wale wametutubuiza na muomboko, asanteni sana. Wale mama ya Mukurweini, nimesikia ile ujumbe mmenipatia kupitia wimbo wenu ya kwamba nikuje kutembelea nyinyi pale Mukurweini ama mkuja mnitembelee pale Karatina, tutakubaliana. Wale wauguzi, wale nurses walitutubuiza hapa, tumeshukuru sana. Our administration, police band, thank you very much for your very good entertainment. Tumefurahia sana. Na wale wote ambao wameweza kufika hapa, tumetembea, tumeangalia zile stands, tumeona the standard of this year iko juu sana na tumeshukuru. County Government of Nyeri kiongozwa na gavana wetu, asanteni sana kwa hayo matayarisho. Kamati naongozwa na Bikirinya, asante sana kwa matayarisho ya maana sana. Waziri wetu Daktari Karaja, tunasema asante. Na kila mtu tunasema asante sana. Sisi hatuna mambo mengi, yetu ni kusaidia Mheshimiwa Rais kwa mambo ya kuendesha Kenya na sana sana mambo ya ukulima. Na vile tumesema mambo ya kahawa, mambo ya majani chai tunaendelea kuendeleza. Na tunauliza viongozi wetu, tafadhali tunaomba nyinyi viongozi wetu kwa heshima, tusiweke siasa kwa mambo ya kilimo. Hii mambo ya kilimo tuachie wakulima. Serikali iendelee kusaidia wakulima wa chai, wa kahawa, wa maziwa, wa makadamia, wa avocado, wa miraa, wa muguka, wa viazi, wa carrots. Wakulima wote wa Jamhuri ya Kenya tuendelee kuwasaidia. Kwa hivyo mimi sitaki nisidishe hapo, yangu ni kusema asante. Watoto wa shule, asanteni sana, nimemwona hapa kwa wingi. Ni matumaini yangu mmesoma mengi. Mkirudi huko msalimie wazazi wenu. Tunawapenda, tunaendelea kufuatilia mambo ya masomo yetu katika sekta ya elimu, mambo ya JSS. Kwa hali yote iko challenges, tunaendelea kuendeleza na mambo yetu itakuwa sawa. Kwa hayo mengi, asanteni sana, Mungu awabariki. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency. We request you to remain at the podium so that we